energy production. There are numerous ways of cleaning salt water to use it for other purposes, but the membrane approach is already one of the most efficient. To get desalted clean drinking water, scientists have completed a research including the optimization of the membrane structure used for desalination process. To get a clearer look at use of membranes for water cleaning, researchers used multimodal electron microscopy technique. Furthermore, a combined analysis of chemical composition with 3D mapping at the nanoscale level was also performed to see how efficiently water could be cleaned. This research was prompted by the observation that thicker membranes often perform better at the job of desalination. But results of recent research revealed that inconsistencies and dead zones in the membrane played a better role than thickness. According to researchers, consistency of membranes is more important than its thickness. Being consistent in density, membranes can improve the water cleaning technique known as reverse osmosis, where minerals are caught and removed by a membrane using pressure. Researchers are now looking at ways in which it can continue to be improved and customized for specific uses.
Stay safe and sane. Science will win. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.